Hi guys, today I want to present to you my nature series. These are some 3D print models I made. I uploaded the files onto printables with the relevant remix attributions. They're three separate files. I'll add the link to the files in the description below, free for download, so to your personal enjoyment, non-commercial enjoyment. And they are designed as STA files so they can be printed on any printer. So you can either print them in one color and paint them afterwards, but I also uploaded some 3MF files that are multicolored and can be printed with the already colors and supports. The three files are the hippo river. We have the elephant feeding in shallow water with the croc, and we have the croc attacking the antelope. These are the three I've made for now, maybe furthermore a few others to come. And this can be a perfect table art, table sculpture, a gift for family, friends, any other person you know that admires nature. Well, I'd be putting the links, like I said, under the video description, and I'll leave them there free for download for a few weeks before I may move them up to cults. Anyway, that's just what I wanted to present, and enjoy. Bye.